So if you use a looper for any kind of performance or even practice, if I put my drums, rhythm guitar, and bass, there's no bass on this one, but that all goes through the system, then the looper into the practice amp. I have a Troubadour here, Ibanez Troubadour, and then so I have the splitter between the right at the end there, between the compressor and the loop station. And I'll play both. So if I play everything, when I solo over the top of the loop, and it all goes through there, the solo gets all muddled because it's all through one speaker. It's all blah, 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 blah. But if I can, once I get all the loops set, and then if I play live, I'll do that through the PA, and then I'll bring another amp, even a small amp like this little Vox here. That's good enough. And then I'll split that. And then, so I get a clean sound for the solo, so it sounds like there's two guitars. Here, let's show you what it's like. All through one. But it's all muddled, you can't hear anything. Turn the volume up. Not clear. That's why if you have a loop pedal, you also need a line splitter for soloing over the top. Like I'll say it again. If you have a loop pedal, you need to get a line splitter. There's really nothing in there; it just splits the direction of what's going in. And so I have it. I have the line splitter at the end of the chain, right before the loop station, and that just sends it off to my little practice amp there. And even just bringing that to a gig makes a huge difference. All right, enjoy. I hope this helps.